Ang Mandaluyong City Council, having been appointed to the National Training Team and granted the honorable charge as Assistant Leader Trainer, do hereby place on my honor that I will discharge to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities as trainer of the Boy Scouts of the Philippines, always making myself available for service, providing the best possible leadership which I am capable of giving, endeavoring to make everything I do exemplary, living by the ideals of the Scouting, in the spirit of the Scout of Anglo, and maintaining the high traditions of both batch training. So help me God. Okay, thank you for the final chance. So congratulations to our 4 recipients as the new member of the National Training Team as Assistant Leader Trainer, or they already received their 3 B